Hi everyone, this is Jeje and welcome or welcome back to Be Colorful. Finally, I can share with you the first video dedicated to Tonic Craft Kit 56, a kit from Tonic Studios with a summer garden theme. The first three cards that I gonna propose to you will be spinner cards. That is a type of interactive card where a floating element will turn as soon as the card is opened. In particular, I'm gonna propose you 3 different variations of spinner card. So let's start with the first one. First, I'm gonna prepare the card base, a standard card that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. For this card, I'm gonna use the cute dies of the kit. Today, in particular, I'm gonna use the die that create a watering can for plants. I prepare the main panel by cutting out a 4 by 5 1/2 inches rectangle. So I'm gonna get left and right finishing edges. On this panel I'm going to die cut the main figure. Without removing the die, I'm going to align the panel firmly on the card base and die again, keeping the card open. In this way, I created the window for the spinner element. In order not to leave the background white and too simple, I decided to create a pattern with the small stamps of the kit. Stamping with clear Versamark ink and doing a heat embossing technique with white embossing powder. And here I get a very delicate and beautiful background. I also decorate the edges of the panel with the green glitter paper from the kit. Now let's move on to creating the spinner element. With the die of the kit, I'm gonna create a beautiful 2-layer pink flower. I will need 2 identical flowers. This will be the element that will rotate, so it must be finished on both the front and back side. Before gluing the two sides together, between them I'm going to fix the thread, which will be the mechanism of the spinner card. I fixed the thread very well with a very strong double-sided tape adhesive. And now I can hide everything thanks to the second side of the flower. Next, on the watering can that I made by die cutting the main panel, I'm going to die cut the intricate pattern with the coordinated die. I glue everything onto a piece of acetate sheet. And I remove the central part where I gonna put the spinner flower that I did a little while ago. Now I glue the acetate on the back of the main panel. I'm using the acetate to glue the watering can so it can stay floating. Next, I'm going to attach the flower, gluing the two ends of the thread with double-sided tape adhesive, tightening it well and making sure that the flower is in the center of the little window that I left on the acetate. Also making sure that the flower doesn't touch the side of this circle. I block the thread with another layer of double-sided tape adhesive. And now I can glue the main panel onto the card base. I refine the inside of the card by die cutting another watering can, eliminating the central part and leaving only the outlines. I just have to add some decorations. I decided to make a butterfly with the pearlescent paper from the kit. I love this color. Still on the same pearlescent paper, I'm going to die cut the watering can to put as a background, so I glue it inside the card base. Then I'm going to create the center of the embossed flowers in the background using the Nuvo Strawberry Aroma Drop from the kit. With a die from the kit 54, I'm going to create small flowers to embellish the intricate motif of the watering can. And I also add a few drops of aroma drop. With the classic yellow card of the kit, I'm going to create the center of the flower, the spinner flower, for both the front and the back. For the sentiment, I'm going to die cut a simple hello onto the pink paper from the kit. I decided to add more glitter green paper, since I have it in the side edges of the card. So I'm going to die cut the green glitter paper with the intricate die. I need only the stem of the central flower, so I'm going to cut it out. And I glue it on the card. For the pink sentiment, I decided to add a sort of shading with the pearlescent paper. So I glue the pink hello on top of pearlescent hello, slightly offset. And I glue everything on the card. Finally, inside the card, I'm going to stamp Make a Wish, stamp that we find in the kit, thus ending the first spinner card. To prepare the spinner card, spin the spinner element on itself a lot of times. Keep it still while you close the card and insert it eventually in an envelope. That's all for today, my friends, and I hope you enjoyed this delicate spinner card. I look forward to seeing you at the next video for the second spinner card. Thanks for stopping by, see you next time, bye bye and be colorful!